Hello, brochachos. This is episode 2 of Minecraft with me, Nick. I am in Java this time because I think it would be pretty cool. I've been playing on this world for a while now. As you can see, I have a netherite sword enchanted too. So I'll show you around my house. So this is my front door, my my door, my entrance. Yeah. And my this is where should I start? Oh yeah, this is my anvil. I use it a lot, and these are carpets. The carpets show like where the rooms are. It points where the rooms are. And first room here is my bedroom. It's got these blocks. I forgot the name. I'm not gonna name them, but the only block I'm gonna say is the bed. Then under my bedroom is the enchanting room. I wanted to make it look like a chamber. Uh, didn't really work out. I just put chains and that's it. And then we've got the storage room over here. I didn't put any labels on it because I already knew I already knew where I put them. So, and also I'm lazy. It's my kitchen. It's pretty simple. Nothing much. Then my okay, hopefully, please don't destroy my house. Okay, so I gotta hurry up. This is my cow farm, bunch of cows. This is my farm. That over there is my nether portal. Both of these are like farms. This one's called bamboo, of course you know. Sugarcane. The scaffolding leads towards my mob farm, and then oh god. Okay, I better sleep. I better sleep. Oh yeah, my house is inside of a hill. I really like it. I'm really proud of it. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this video as like for a test. This video is gonna be probably titled as house tour or Minecraft episode 2. I don't know. Uh, Goodbye, everyone.